You can screen share on Instagram while you're video calling with your favorite person. So make sure that firstly you are on a video call and not on an audio call on Instagram. We need to make sure that the receiver picks up the call. You can also change from an audio call to a video call by enabling the video option on the bottom left, just like as shown in the video above. Once you make sure that the person sharing the screen is on video call, you need to click on the media icon on the bottom right. Once you click there, you can see the icon of screen sharing. You need to tap there, and then Instagram will display a message stating that whatever you share on your device will be clearly visible to the next person. You need to accept this by tapping on the Start Now icon. If you do not want to agree with the message and you change your mind to screen share, then just click on the Cancel button. But now, let's be optimistic and move forward. Once you click on the Start Now button, you will know that your screen has been shared.